Hi guys, it's me Vasilikis, and in this video we are going to be organizing my entire makeup collection. This is part 3 of the series and we are going to be organizing eye products like palettes and eyeshadows, and the next part is gonna be lip products. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified, and let's get started. Let's go to these drawers here. In the first one I have lots of palettes and some random products. This one by Juvia's is a very nice palette. And this one is the only palette that I have by Vasilikis and the quality is phenomenal. Another palette is this by Urban Decay, the Naked Reloaded. This is also great if you want to create a flawless natural eye look. I have reviews of all of these on my channel. In these drawers I have mostly high-end palettes. The next drawer is such a mess, I don't even know what's happening here. This is a cute little palette by Tarte. I didn't like it at all, and I also have some perfumes here because I don't want them to get a lot of dust. For some reason we are getting so much dust and we need to vacuum every 3 days. Maybe it's because we live in a city, I honestly don't know. These are some brush sleeves that are great for protecting the bristles of your brushes. And here I have a body lotion by Calvin Klein. It was in a gift set with a perfume too. The third drawer contains some more eyeshadow palettes. These are stickers by Pixie for making eyeshadow swatches. They were in a PR box they have sent me. And then I have some alter ego palettes that were sent to me in PR as well by the brand. I think this one is the last Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette that I bought. It is such a gorgeous palette. It has so many beautiful purple shades for different eye looks. And this one is by Ace Beauty. It is such a gem, and I have also done a review for this one. And let's continue with this section here, the Alex IKEA drawer unit. These drawers are so messy. I'm getting a headache. And these are some eyeshadow palettes by Essence. Both of them are really nice. Then you can see the Yes I Can palette. I didn't like this so much. In this little turquoise box I have some disappointing products for a video, and these are new palettes by Essence with this adorable design. I love that they have the elastic band. I have some stickers and tattoos here. I love collecting stickers. In the next drawer, I have everything as it seems, mascaras, and more mascaras. Some lip palettes by Catrice. I have lip swatches videos for these. In this box, I have liquid eyeshadows, some more palettes that I forgot about. Let's continue with the Drugstore Palettes drawer. This one is by Catrice from the Sensation collection. I liked this a lot. Some more Catrice palettes. These were in the advent calendar of Catrice in 2020. I can't wait for the new advent calendar releases. Can you believe that we are already in May? Time flies so fast for me. It's like yesterday we had Christmas. And these are by BH Cosmetics. They are very nice palettes. I'm taking everything out and I'm gonna transfer them to the new drawers. I'm planning to fit all the drugstore palettes in one drawer, so we will see in a while how that's working out. In this drawer I have all of my Essence palettes. I have posted last year a video with my Essence palette collection, and I'm also planning to film a part 2 with all of the new palettes. I'm cleaning the drawer and then I start by placing all the palettes inside of it. I don't really know how to organize them. I know that I want on the right side the Essence palettes and on the other side the other brands. So let me know in the comments what is your favorite product to use and collect. As you can see here, eyeshadow palettes are my favorite products to buy, try, and basically collect. I used to have at least 10 eyeshadow palettes even before I became a makeup artist. If you are new here, I was working as a civil engineer before I became a makeup artist, and I was very obsessed with eyeshadows. I remember the day I bought the Naked palette by Urban Decay, and my colleagues at work were asking me what I have used on my eyes because they loved my eye looks. And at that time I was living in Cyprus and it was so difficult to find Urban Decay products. I was searching for days on eBay for a seller of the palette, and when I finally got it, I was so happy and excited. And 10 years ago, Urban Decay was such a popular brand. It was one of the first brands to have beautiful palettes. I still own that old palette, by the way, and the crazy thing is that it still looks okay. Usually eyeshadows can last up to 4 years. My rule is that a product is expired if the scent, color or consistency has changed. Also, powder products can last longer if you are using them with clean brushes. So this is such a cool palette by Essence in collaboration with Pac-Man. I didn't like the color story that much though, and here I'm doing my best to organize the palettes by size and shape, and I'm cleaning the smaller ones. It's time to bring the remaining Essence palettes. What's your favorite eyeshadow palette, and do you prefer neutral shades or more colorful? I like everything basically. The perfect palette for me is something that has lots of matte shades for crease colors, some pop-of colors and also shimmery shades. My least favorite eyeshadow formula is definitely the satin. However, it's the easiest to use for a very natural everyday look. I have a lot of friends that like them, especially for going to work. I was not like that as a civil engineer. I was doing smoky eye looks, also with some pop of colors. For all of the Essence palettes that you see here, I have reviews on my channel. It's one of my favorite brands to use products from. I'm gonna have a playlist in the description box so you can find all of them together. It took forever to organize the palettes. I like that I still have some space, and I'm also gonna declutter a lot of them. Back to this beauty here. I have organized the rest of the eye products like eye pencils, eyeliners, glitter, mascaras, brow products. I never had a place for these. They were basically in all of the other drawers and I never knew what I had. Here I have all of the eye pencils and some tweezers. Next I'm bringing the turquoise container, and this time we have in here single eyeshadows, pigments and also glitter. On the top layer I have placed all of my single eyeshadows by MAC. Let me know if you would like to see a video about these, like swatches and review. I don't usually use pigments, so I don't buy them a lot, although you can do so many things with pigments and they can last forever. Some single eyeshadows by NYX and Makeup Geek. Then this one by NARS. It's not a bad shade, but I definitely have a dupe that is more affordable in my collection. NYX also has some single eyeshadows, especially this one looks so similar to the packaging of the MAC single eyeshadow. Am I right? Following that we have the brow products in here. This brow gel by MAC is nice, also the soap brow by Essence. This pomade by Catrice is not my favorite. I have some products by Anastasia Beverly Hills, Benefit, and the majority are drugstore products. In the next box I have the creamy and liquid eyeshadows. If you want your eye makeup to look more intense in pictures, definitely use first a liquid or cream eyeshadow as a base and then blend your eyeshadows on your eyes. If you don't have this type of eyeshadow, you can also use an eye pencil. It's time for eyeliners! These here are some eyelash curlers. I never use them because they make my lashes shorter, so most likely I'm gonna keep only the Tarte one. I have mostly black eyeliners from the drugstore. For me, eyeliner is one of the products that I don't like spending my money on it, mostly because it can dry out in 3 to 6 months, and also there are so many good options at the drugstore. This glitter one by Kiko is one of my favorites. These are my favorites by Essence and also Catrice Cosmetics. The gel eyeliner by MAC used to be my all-time favorite back in the day. Now that I have used it again after so many years, I can see that it's not so dark and also dries really fast. So I don't know why I liked it so much. But you know, MAC was such a trending brand back then, and also now it is one of the very few brands that you can find in every country. And here I'm bringing back the mascaras. These are mascara empties that I kept just to remember the products and the applicators, and the rest of them are mascaras that I tried in videos, in makeup tutorials. Let me know if you would like to see a mascara collection video with some eye close-ups as well. Maybe that can be useful if you are searching for a new mascara. I did a little bit of cleanup in these 3 drawers. I kept in here only high-end palettes and some perfumes because it's easier to access them. In the next one I have a lot of newer palettes, some of them are from BoxyCharm, and in the third one I also placed eyeshadow palettes. Surprise, surprise! In my defense, these drawers do not fit a lot of products. That's what I say to myself. And the next step is to organize all of the remaining eye products in the 4th big drawer. I'm bringing all of the little boxes and I'm placing them in the order that I'm gonna use them on my eyes. The next part with the lip products is coming next week, so stay tuned. You can watch next to this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!